Well, this one's going to be about company applicants. Now, if I file a certificate of formation for an LLC, and that LLC, the people I'm working with, they are my clients. Well, the client's listed as the organizer, but they're using my account. Does that make me the last person handling the paperwork so that you're now a company applicant? Now, probably yes. Again, company applicants are at most two individuals. First two options: one, it's either the individual who files the document that creates the reporting company or with the state or Indian tribe, or it's an individual who registers a foreign entity to do business in the United States with a state or an Indian tribe. So the last person standing, if you're the one hitting submit on the application, if you're the one handing it over, a physical document to the county clerk or the Secretary of State's office, whoever it is, then yes, that would be you. Option two, any individual who directs or controls the filing of such documents. What they're trying to get at here, the attorneys, the other advisors, really, who are overseeing the process. So if you're the one overseeing the process, not necessarily the one who is filing the documents, yes, you would also be a company applicant. Now, when it comes to company applicants, yes, we have to have the updated business address for them when the documents are filed. Once those have been filed, we do have an FAQ from FinCEN saying it's not necessary to update the business address for them once that's been filed. They'll, I guess, track it on their own end. This is good news because even if you are an advisor who is assisting clients with forming entities, what it means is even if you don't get a FinCEN ID, you're not necessarily going to be triggering hundreds of filings by all of your clients just because you've moved your office. Now, the other thing to think about, company applicants aren't necessarily beneficial owners. For example, when I assist a client by directing the forming of an LLC, it doesn't make me a beneficial owner. I don't necessarily have substantial control over it, probably don't have any ownership interest in the entity. So company applicants won't always be, and in many cases, they probably won't be the beneficial owners. Doesn't mean that they can't be. Again, if you're doing it yourself, if you're going online, going to say a LegalZoom or Rocket or something else like that to have them do the formation for you, you're probably going to be one of those company applicants. When it comes to LegalZoom and whether or not they'll be a company applicant, you're going to have to check their paperwork. Again, they should be telling you if they consider themselves a company applicant or not. I've seen a few of these registration agents, the folks who are helping you file. Some are saying, look, we're fully electronic. We're not talking to anybody. We're just following your direct options. So effectively, yours is the last finger that's hitting submit when you file that paperwork. So we're not a company applicant. On the other hand, there are other registered agents we do know of that are taking the position that they are the ones who are hitting submit. So yes, they're going to go in. Again, you should get an answer directly from that company before you file so you know how to file your own report.